Hi everyone, Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org here, and today I'm going to be showing you the new project I'm going to be doing, which is the Seaside Sampler Afghan. And I have joined Annie's Crochet Club, and what happens is every month they send you more to do on your project. So you're working on it and adding more and more, and then they give you all the instructions. So this is what I got in my very first kit. It came with this, which has the first 3 stripes, which would be down at the bottom. And these are the yarn colors that come with it. And they also give you all the instructions, including video instructions, the crochet needle and hook that you need for it. So I'm so excited to get started with this. And then I asked them to send me some samples too, so I could share them with you. And they sent me this one, which is a chemo cap here. So that comes with these yarns and the pretty scarf that goes with it down the side. So I'll work on that one. And here's another type of Afghan that you can get, and you can join a club for this one. So this one's in blocks, and then this one is the stripes. So this particular set here has stripes 7 through 9, and this has blocks 7 through 9. I'll show you what the yarn looks like for this one. So the gray there, and these colors for this one. So I will let you know when I have some done to show you how it's going. But if you would like to join me in making this quilt, there's another striped quilt that has different colors, which is more like a winterish colors with burgundy and darker brown. That's a really pretty one too. But I thought I'd like this lighter one because this room, which my husband just finished for me, is kind of a lighter room, and I think it would be really pretty to have that Afghan in here. So sign up with me and let's do it together. Check you later.